hopefully if I can repeat the go-kart, uulitin ko talaga yan. Morning guys! Look at my view from the room. Ang ganda! Init! Anyways, I'm gonna get coffee. I'm gonna make coffee. Hindi na muna akong breakfast today kasi parang everyday na ako nag-breakfast. So parang kota muna. Gutumin muna sarili. So, no breakfast tomorrow. Pag-isipan. Kung hindi, the last night can be my breakfast. So for now, no muna tayo. Go-kart day. Lapit na namin sa train station. Ito lang ang mag-go-kart guys. Ilan lang kami. Guys, ito na siya. It's here. So this is the go-kart. Ayan yung go-kart nyo. That one. Guys, you can see this. So, hanapin nyo lang. Whatever you want. Eyes on the price. Akin, alam nyo na. Pikachu talaga. I've already set my mind on Pikachu. So guys, you can leave your bags here. So at least safe lahat ng gamit nyo. We'll be in front. Tapos this is the car that we're going to follow.
Starter button and gas pedal at the same time.
Ay, sobrang saya talaga nito. Like, super saya. By the way, naka-stop kami. That's why we can use the camera or else hindi siya pwede talaga. Okay, guys? Pwedeng gamitin yung camera if you are not on a complete stop.
This is without rhyme or reason. I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. There's no reason. It's time to pay off.
Guys, this is so fun. This is so fun.
It's so fun.
Thank you. No regrets.
It's definitely worth the time.
So fun. Skytree time. Guys, may cafe rin sila here. They definitely paikot siya where you're gonna see all of the different view. And then, meron ka pa one more up there which is the Tembo Galleria. So, aakit ka pa. So, you have to make sure that you still have your ticket ready. Kasi kung wala, guys, wala na yung ticket mo, hindi ka na pwede umakyat doon. So, kailangan mo yung ticket mo. Yung maganda ang view mo pag ganito kasi yung ilaw nakasya-shine sa mukha mo. Kaya parang boom, ganda mo dahil. Pakita ko sa inyo. Guys, by the way, doon kami kanina nag-bike ko. Yung nag-go-kart kami, yung may bilog dyan na gold. Yun, di ba? Dinaanan namin bridge na yan. Kung combo yung ticket, we can go to the Galleria at saka meron kami dito sa view. And then, mga 30 minutes kayo dito, kasyang-kasya ng saya. Ito yung roof deck. So, meron dito free photo. Guys, oh, ayan o. Ay, nakasuot free. May maliit lang na free. Cute, we had a free photo. Love time, guys. Ay, hindi pa ako, Ju.
Nagugas lang talaga tayo ng paa. Kunwari attraction.
And then, nandiyan na siya. Tapon mo. Guys, I'm having dinner right now dito sa spa. Wala lang, hindi ko dala Osmo ko, pero yeah. Guys, sobrang ganda nito. Tingnan mo to. Foot bath yan na. Hot foot bath. Pa ako yan. O, diba? And then, look. Look at this view. Guys, I'm back in the room. So we did the go-kart. It's my favorite highlight of the trip. Grabe, ang ganda. I'll just post some pictures here, but you can see it. Sobrang sulit. For me, if you can do it nighttime, go. Daytime, okay naman. Basta huwag lang mainit. And then, the second one was the Sky Tree. The third one was Teeb Labs. Very trippy rin yan, di ba? I do have those TikTok posts here as well. Kasi syempre, hirap dalawang camera na nagagawin natin. Pero sulit yun. Ito, very immersive yung experience yan. This is by far one of my favorite Teeb Lab. And then, the fourth one and the last one is the onsen. Oh my God! This is one of the best onsens talaga. Masarap yung food niya. Buffet siya. Tapos, ang laki ng onsen niya. May pa-sandbath pa siya. Meron pa siyang parang hot foot bath doon sa taas. Na, oh my God, overlooking yung mga skyline ng Tokyo. Ang ganda! For me, kailangan nyo talaga makita yan. Kailangan nyo puntahan yan kasi kakaiba siyang experience. I would repeat it also, pero sa totoo lang, uunahin ko i-repeat will be the go-kart. Gusto ko sa gabi. So hopefully, if I can repeat the go-kart, uulitin ko talaga yan kasi iba talaga siya pag nighttime and ang ganda ng weather kasi right now. Definitely, you can book it with Klook. When you book it with Klook, definitely, alam nyo na guys, meron yung discount code, diba? Dalawa na code natin, meron tayo is 5% off, Jax 5 off yan, at saka yung Jax Hotel naman for Klook Hotels yon. So gagamitin nyo lang for Spotlight Hotels. Lagi ko sinasabi, kung saan mura, doon tayo. Gamitin nyo yung mga codes. Kaya nga hinihingi itong mga codes na to kasi nga, syempre, guys, sayang diba? Bakit natin hindi gagamitin yung code na yan? And then tomorrow, we're going to go to Fuji. So, medyo maaga yung call time. Ayun na naman, hindi naman ako tutulog ng maaga. Pero, oh my God, dead man na kasi konti na lang. Kaya natin to, guys. Para sa inyo to. Para sa akin, para sa inyo. Alam niyo man yan. Mahilig ako mag-share ng mga tips. So, kailangan natin i-compile lahat yan. And by the way, medyo Universal Studio Japan. Hype pa ako kasi ang ganda talaga nun. Super Mario World. Oh my God, gusto ko ulitin. Nakita ko may mga keychain doon. Oh my gosh, I super regret hindi ako bumili. Alam mo yun, sa pagkocontrol ko sa sarili ko, ayoko na punta ng mga gift shop. Pero oh my gosh, now I regret not buying kahit isang man lang na maliit na keychain na pwede ko ilagay sa bag. Ang cute kasi ng mga Super Mario. I know. But anyways, yun muna. I'm see you. Hindi na siya tomorrow kasi gabi na. Still uploading stuff for work. Yung nakita ko na yung Fuji, okay na ako. Pwede na ako umuwi. Ang ganda! Guys, sobrang saya talaga ng ganitong trip.